online apps and sites seem to be tracking people's activity and status, this can occasionally be useful, but most of the time it's like invasion of privacy. Basically, there is no privacy, not anymore. If you're online, you're clearly visible to almost everyone. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your online status on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Tap on Hamburger menu at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings from the panel. Under Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. On Privacy and Security page, tap on Last Seen and Online. Tap on Nobody option. Tap on Tick at the upper right corner of the page. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to hide your online status on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.